Did you know that many traders actually make a living by using funded accounts, where they can trade with someone else's money and keep a percentage of the profits? It's a game changer. Making money from funded accounts is a fascinating topic, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make the most out of funded accounts and unlock a new stream of income. Funded accounts are not just a myth. They are a reality for many traders who have mastered the art of trading with someone else's money. It's a concept that has been around for a while, but it's surprisingly underutilized. In the right circumstances, funded accounts can be a dream come true for traders. Imagine having access to a pool of capital that's not yours and being able to trade without worrying about risking your own money. That's what funded accounts are all about. When it comes to making money from funded accounts, many traders fail to achieve their goals due to emotional discipline. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of trading with someone else's money, but it's crucial to remain calm and collected, even when the market is moving rapidly against you. Emotional discipline is just one of the many challenges that traders face when trying to make money from funded accounts. Risk management is another critical aspect that's often overlooked. Without a solid risk management strategy, even the most skilled traders can lose their shirts. Traders often underestimate the importance of having a trading plan that's tailored to their unique style and risk tolerance. When you're trading with someone else's money, it's essential to have a clear plan in place to avoid reckless decision-making. Impulsive decisions are a recipe for disaster when trading with funded accounts. It's crucial to take the time to analyze the market, assess the risks, and make informed decisions based on data, not emotions. Fear and greed are two of the most destructive emotions in trading. When you're trading with someone else's money, it's easy to get caught up in the fear of losing or the greed of making a quick profit. Developing a trading mindset that's focused on discipline and patience is crucial for long-term success with funded accounts. It's not about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable income stream that can last for years to come. Another major challenge that traders face is the temptation to overtrade. When you have access to a large pool of capital, it's easy to get tempted to trade more frequently than necessary. Overtrading is a surefire way to drain your account and lose your funded account privileges. It's essential to be selective with your trades and focus on quality over quantity. Market conditions can also play a significant role in a trader's success with funded accounts. Understanding how to adapt to changing market conditions is crucial for maximizing profits and minimizing losses. In addition to these challenges, traders also need to contend with broker restrictions and limitations. Not all brokers are created equal, and it's essential to choose a broker that aligns with your trading style and goals. Having a deep understanding of the broker's rules and regulations can make all the difference between success and failure with funded accounts. With all these challenges in mind, it's clear that making money from funded accounts requires a unique set of skills and strategies. So, what are some effective ways to trade with funded accounts? First and foremost, it's essential to choose the right broker. Look for a broker that offers favorable terms, flexible leverage, and a user-friendly platform. Understanding trading psychology is also crucial for success with funded accounts. It's not just about analyzing charts and technical indicators. It's about understanding your own mindset and emotions. Developing a solid trading plan that's based on data and analysis is critical for making informed decisions. Avoid impulsive trades and focus on executing your plan with precision and discipline. Trade management is another critical aspect of trading with funded accounts. It's essential to know when to exit a trade and how to manage your risk exposure. Having a clear understanding of risk management strategies is vital for minimizing losses and maximizing profits. It's not just about making money. It's about preserving your capital and growing your account over time. Another key strategy for success with funded accounts is to focus on high-probability trades. Look for trades with a high probability of success and avoid low-probability trades that can drain your account. It's also essential to stay organized and keep track of your trades. Keep a journal of your trades and analyze your performance regularly to identify areas for improvement. Staying flexible and adapting to changing market conditions is also critical for success with funded accounts. Be willing to adjust your strategy if it's not working, and stay open to new ideas and approaches. In my experience, one of the most critical factors for success with funded accounts is to have a clear understanding of your own strengths and weaknesses. Know your limitations, and focus on developing your skills and knowledge. By following these strategies and tips, you can significantly increase your chances of success with funded accounts. But there's one key insight that I want to share with you that can take your trading to the next level. When I first started trading with funded accounts, I struggled to achieve consistent results. I was stuck in a rut, and I couldn't seem to break through to the next level. Then I realized that the key to success wasn't about making more trades or risking more capital. It was about focusing on the process, not the outcome. By focusing on the process of trading, rather than the outcome, I was able to develop a more disciplined approach that helped me achieve consistent results. This insight has been a game changer for my trading, and I believe it can be for you too. By focusing on the process, you can avoid getting caught up in the emotions of trading and stay focused on what really matters. In conclusion, making money from funded accounts requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of trading strategies and psychology. By following these tips and strategies, you can unlock a new stream of income and achieve financial freedom. Remember, discipline and strategy are key to success with funded accounts. Don't get caught up in the emotions of trading, and stay focused on the process. If you've got any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about trading techniques and strategies, be sure to check out our next video.